You can share your screen on your phone to your friends or other members on Discord in servers through voice call. To screen share, be in a voice chat and pull up down here to see more options. Select screen share, press allow or start, and there you go. Now to stop sharing is pretty obvious. Either click on stop sharing or click on the little icon with phone and X at the bottom here. Just a side note, if you're sharing your screen in a server, you will need to have permission enabled for streaming. And another thing is to be careful when you're screen sharing. Don't share any of your private information because you don't want your friend to see your mom sending a text saying, "Hey Jacob, don't forget to change your brother's diapers." Or you don't want people to see your GF sending an unexpected message at the wrong time. So yeah, maybe turn off notifications at the time of screen sharing, set your phone to DND, meaning do not disturb, and then you're all good to go. Now to join someone sharing their screen, you will see a button on call saying watch stream. Click on it and you will be able to see the person's screen. And you can also adjust the volume of this stream by pulling up down here. Anyways, that's all and peace out.